let's see what we got here. Oops. So what we're doing now is we're putting these little guards on here. And as you can see, there's a little hole right there that matches up to the two containers there. So I'm going to finish putting the blade protectors on here. This will keep you from scarring up your little brothers. So I'll pause this and get back. So we got this card here, which is for a free battery. There's also a card here that talks about charging up the battery, the concerns you should have when you don't want to overcharge it. You want to charge it in the open. They're just worried about fire starting. Also, I guess there's a scan code that you could scan to get free parts. There's also this card here that kind of has this other scan thing that is for, well, I'm not quite sure what it's for. I know there should be some software that comes with the little controller here so that you can attach your phone, and then you can see from there's a little camera right here on the front that allows you to, when you connect to your phone, you can get pictures from the camera as it's flying around, so you can kind of peep on your neighbors. I guess this camera is manually adjustable, so it can point it down, let me see, point it up. But anyway, so you can see there's a adjustable camera here. Also, I put these are the landing legs on it. This black plastic piece here. So anyway, let me go charge my phone up because it looks like the battery's going low. Yeah, it looks like it takes 4 AA batteries. I happen to have some of those in my drawer, so I'm gonna go get them and plug them in here.